How would you like to know an intelligence operative trick for getting through mobs and hordes of people? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. My name is Jason Hanson. I'm a former CIA officer and the New York Times bestselling author of Spy Secrets Can Save Your Life.
Please welcome back former CIA officer Jason Hanson.
Former CIA Jason Hanson.
This handsome fella is Jason Hanson.
This is Jason Hanson, former CIA guy.
As I said, I'm going to show you how to get through mobs. Obviously, if you watch the news, crazy things happen in this world. Your car could be surrounded by people. You could be coming out of a restaurant. All of a sudden, there's a ton of people. Who knows what's going on? I'm going to show you something you can keep in your car to be prepared if, heaven forbid, you've got to get through a mob. This is also an item you want to keep in your bug out bag. That way, if you're bugging out and you got your backpack on and something goes wrong and there's a huge crowd of people and you have no other way except to go right through them, I'm going to show you what to pull out of that backpack in order to get through there. I'm not talking about a gun or a knife or any of that. I'm talking about a mob where they haven't started attacking you. Obviously, if you start getting attacked, then yes, use deadly force if they're gonna kill you. Use your gun, use your knife, whatever you have. But for this, it's just a mob and you just wanna clear the way and say, people, get out of my way so I can get from point A to point B. So what is that? Well, without further ado, I'm gonna reach behind me here. What you're looking at is a road flare. Road flares you can buy at Walmart, wherever, Home Depot. This is a company that makes pretty much all of them. So buy some road flares. Of course, to use the road flare, all you're gonna do is you're gonna pop off this top, then you're gonna remove this plastic and you're basically striking it like a match, okay? Very simple to do. This is the match part, and I did the striking where I strike this way, you're gonna take this off and strike there, it's gonna light up. If you need to get through a mob and you're waving this around, it doesn't matter if you're here in the US, it doesn't matter if you're overseas, that is a language that everybody speaks. So hey, get out of my way. I basically got this huge candle, so move it. Now, if you wanted to be ultra prepared, if you were an intelligence operative overseas dealing with maybe very bad places, you would have an oven mitt. Yes, this is a cheap oven mitt that, again, you can get any store, Walmart, Target, etc. And you would take your oven mitt, you would hold your flare. That way you didn't have this dripping down on you, didn't have to worry about getting burned or any of that stuff. Obviously, in your bug out bag or in your vehicle survival kit, especially in your vehicle survival kit, you should have road flares for emergency. But now you know that if you run into some crazy mob crisis, people, I promise, are getting out of your way if you swing this thing around. So make sure you add these to your vehicle survival kit and other gear. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that ring notification. And if you want to see the complete list of gear that I have on my vehicle ops bag, make sure you click below, grab that today. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Get your road flares. I'm out of here. I got to run. I'm former CIA officer Jason Hanson. God bless you. God bless your family.